Welcome back to the channel, and today's video is going to be very interesting as we are going to do the lesson number first last practice set, which is 1.4, and we have to plot root 2, root 3, root 5 and root 7 on the number line. But most of the schools have root 2 and root 3 for the unit test as the pandemic is going on. As my also school has the same, so I'm going to only uh, show how to plot root 2 and root 3 on the number line. So first you have to draw a line. It can be how much long you want. Second, make arrows. There will be no marks. Third, there will be a scale given. Uh, and when you're solving, you have to write scale equals to 1 unit. And how much the is given centimeter, I will take 2 cm, 2 centimeter. Now you have to mark a point. 0. I will make it with this red. So 0, we'll name it O. You have to take the 2 centimeter distance, and then you have to take number 1 and you have to name it A, and now you have to draw a line at point A. It should be long as much as you want, and again you have to draw arrow as there will be no points if you don't draw arrow. And then you have to take 2 centimeters. You have to measure this line. You have to take 2 centimeters on this line. If you take 0 here, then till up how much 2 centimeter is there, at which height. Suppose 2 centimeter is here, so I will name first. We have to name this line and this line also. This will be Q. This line will be L. This point will be B. Now we have to take a scale and take. You have to keep the first point of the scale at point O and the other point at point B. And now you have to make a line going from point O to point B. So now you have to take, so these are the steps till now, and now you have to take a circular, circular, and you have to first insert the pencil in the gap, and then um you have to keep the needle of the circular on 0 on point B and make an arc at point B, and then continue till you reach this, and this will be like a arc, and you have to mark this point as root 2. What is happening? Root 2 and root 2, and mark this point as B. And after this, the last step, analysis. For state board, analysis is pretty easy. There are 2 steps. You can write like that in the main bracket. Wait, I will show you. You can write like this also. 14. Okay. This bracket. What the hell is this color? Okay. So this bracket. Then you have to do this bracket. Then L, small L. So this is line OB. Then you again have to put this and then this. So it's very hard. So I will show you easy method. You have to just take, wait a minute. Okay, let's change it to black. You can write OB square equals to this, the line OB square equals to OA square plus AB square. That's why the naming of the points is very important. And now, as you have written this, go down and below the equals to sign, write again equals to, and then you have to write as the measure of AB and OA is 1 centimeter. Therefore, 1 plus 1 equals to 2. So therefore, you have to write 1 and then square, uh, sorry, then again plus 1 square, and then go down space and equals to sign, and then you have to remove the squares, and as 1 square plus 1 square equals to 1 1 1, so 1 plus equals to 1 plus 1, then again go down, and now you have to write OB equals to 2, and therefore OB square equals to, and therefore OB square equals to root 2. So this was pretty easy. So I will keep this here only. And now let's move on to the next thing until I clean this up. So root 3 is also pretty easy, but I don't know why did I start rubbing, erasing. There is no need, no need. Pretty root 3 also. So if your teacher, if in your exam or your teacher tells surprise math stats and root and plot root 3 on the number line, it is going to be double work, as if you have to plot root 3 on the number line, you have to first plot root 2 on the number line. So even if you get in the exam that plot root 2 and root 3, it's the same as plotting root 3. But when you're plotting root 2 and root 3 together, you have to write the analysis of both. But when you are plotting only a single number, you have to write the analysis only of the single number. That easy. Now we will again take a line. This is not important, so I will do however I want. Okay. So after that, arrows important, very much important. A scale we will give 2 centimeter only. So 0, name it as O. O, okay. 2 centimeters, I suppose, okay. 2 centimeter, 1, name it A. Then draw line, Now again arrows. Name first name this line as Q. I will name this line as L. This is 2 centimeters. So I will name it as B. Now draw another line O to B. So after this you have to then take your circular, keep one the point of needle here and then draw a arc at B and then take this arc to the next which will be root 2 and after you do root 2 name it as P. But for plotting root 3 you need a bigger number line. So I will increase the number line from this to this. It's okay. Now it's okay. So now first you have to, when you are plotting root 3, you have to draw a straight line as you have drawn in this first root 2, a straight line. But this is a little different. Now you have to draw a line from, wait, this will be point C. Yeah, this will be point C. And now when you're plotting root 3, you have to draw a line from point O till point C. And after you have done this, you have to take the measure of the line OC, not 2 centimeter, OC. Keep this in mind, this is very important. Okay, needle here on the O, arc on the C, take it further, and this is your root 3 and we will name it as D. So this is very easy how you have to plot. Sometimes you get confused, but no problem. You also have to name this line, so this will be E. Yeah. So when you are doing the analysis, you have to do like this only. So I will show you OB square. Why when I'm keeping this? Let's rub this all. So when you are doing this, you have to keep in mind that you have to write cube, OB cube. Okay, so when you're writing this, you have to write as OB cube. You have written OB cube, then equals to, why I have written OB, OC. Let's rub this in. Okay, so when you're doing this, um, OB cube equals to, no, OC cube equals to, huh, uh, OP cube plus plus PC only. Space equals to, what is OP square? It will be root 2. Keep in mind root 2. Okay, I cannot do root 2 here, so 2 plus plus 1 equals to 3. Therefore, OC equals to 3, and therefore leave a line OC cube equals to 3. So this is the analysis. Keep it in mind. Okay, it's very easy. If you want, you can go back and rewatch it. Okay, you can pause the video, rewatch it, all the stuff that you can do. So that's it for today. I will meet you guys with some another topic. Let's see. First chapter is over, so let's do English this time. Obviously, grammar. So um, let's do it. I will meet you guys in the next video with some English grammar topics. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Keep learning. Don't miss your lectures and and subscribe to the channel. Okay? Keep in mind you have to subscribe to the channel, like the video. Okay? And till then, woo, see you on the screen. Bye.